What are the causes for gastric issues in the younger generation? Hello, Andy. This is Dr. Raghu. I'm a consultant gastroenterologist at Apollo Hospitals, Jubilee Hills. Today, we're going to talk about the causes for gastric issues in the younger generation. Although people in general think gastric issues usually come in the elderly and the adult population, there is a general misconception about this. I think the younger population, in general, talking about less than 35, also at higher risk of developing a lot of gastric issues. They could range anywhere from the most commonest gastroesophageal reflux disease, gas, bloating, diarrhea, constipation, abdominal pain, and any of those gastric issues. Specifically talking about the reasons why younger patients tend to develop these gastric issues would be a change in their lifestyle and dietary habits, excessive sugar intake, a lot of these carbonated beverages, sodas and juices and all these things, excessive processed food intake, which is very harsh on your intestines, more and more indulgence in alcohol, not only excess quantities, binge alcohol drinking probably is one of the cause, stress levels, increase in stress levels, lack of sleep is a very big important contributing factor for increased gastric issues in the younger population. Timely food is probably not something that happens all the time. Unusual hours of eating food past midnight, ordering food from outside, some of the most common causes for these gastric issues happening in younger population. When you come to the actual causes, apart from the gastroesophageal reflux disease, from all these changes, there are some real pathological conditions that can happen in the younger population, such as inflammatory bowel disease that can have a genetic component. Some conditions such as pancreatitis, irritable bowel syndrome, all these can happen in the younger population. Celiac disease is one other entity that can happen in younger population, which is allergy to gluten products. So there's a vast number of conditions that can happen, like we discussed. It is common in the younger population, more so because of the reasons that were mentioned before. Thank you.